My name's Joe. I'm the founder of 50 Cent Weld Co. and 50 Cent Race Cars. Here at 50 Cent Race Cars and Weld Co., we make dreams happen. What kind of dreams do you ask we make happen? I'll show you. We make super sweet welds for only 50 cents. You can't buy that nowhere else. Oh, the glory of it. Sometimes we weld bolts into places they shouldn't be. And we make welds for, you guessed it, 50 cents. Now you're sitting there now and you're going, well, you said you're 50 Cent Weld Co. and you showed us our 50 cent welds. What about the 50 cent race cars? I'm going to show you the 50 cent race cars we build as well. Here's Carlos. He is a 50 cent race car. It cost about 49 cents to build him. But we'll sell him for 50 cents. I actually want to sell Carlos here for 50 cents because he's my race car. But here at 50 Cent Race Cars, we buy, build, and sell them bad boys for 50 cents.